What is the significance of the number 786 in Islam? People say 786 means Bismillah or Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. To know something, whether it is related to Islam or not, we have to go to the basics. We have to go back to the Qur'an and the Sunnah. What made Islam exist as it was revealed and as it began 15 centuries ago? Almost 1440 years. Islam has been on the same pace, and Muslims have been practicing the same rituals. Why? All religions would remain maximum a couple of hundred years and fade away. Look at other religions. Nothing is as it used to be practiced, except Islam. What gives Islam the momentum? What preserves the practices and the rituals of Islam? The answer is very easy. Whatever was revealed and given at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, this is called Islam. Anything added or taken out would be not from Islam. Meaning, Allah says in chapter 5, Surah Al-Ma'idah, Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum. Today, I have completed your religion and made my favor upon you complete, and I accepted Islam to be your religion. So the religion was completed at the time of the Prophet ﷺ. Anyone wanting to add or subtract from it must bring evidence. So at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, his companions, his tabi'een, the tabi'een, did anyone give any importance to the figure 786? The answer is no. Nobody ever paid attention to it. So what is 786? This is something that came up maybe 100, maybe 200 years ago, maybe less, maybe even 3-4 decades. It was initiated most likely by people who thought, because Satan messed up their minds big time. They thought that numbers had a secret in the Quran, in the Islam. So they started finding that there are significance of a particular set of numbers here or there as a coincidence or as a test from Allah, and they wanted to cascade this over the whole religion so that it would be perfect in their sight, not knowing that this is what Satan is best in. So he messed up with their minds and convinced them to mess up other people's minds as well. So they gave preference, they gave importance to the figure 21. And the Qadianis and all these deviant cults that are not related to Islam, the Baha'is, I think, it's not the Qadianis, but all of them are out of the fold of Islam, place great importance on the figure 21. So they fast 21 days instead of fasting Ramadan. And they have importance of the number 21 and the multiplication of the number 21, and they say that this has to do with that, and all of this is total nonsense.